I have a party to attend tonight. We would love to come too. We would love to come too.
Grok AI is free again. On this video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing videos using Grok AI. So without wasting time, let's go straight into the video. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to write your script. So now, this is my script. So I'm just going to copy my script. Now, once I'm done with the scripting, I'll head over to my Play Store. Now, once I get to my Play Store, I'm just going to search for this app called Gen Z. GensV. So I'm going to search for GensV. So this is GensV. I'm just going to install it. So I'm going to wait for it to install to my device. Now you can see that it's done installing. All I'm just going to do is to click on enable. So once I click on enable, I'm going to open the app. Now this is the app. You can also access it from the website. Now all you will just do is to click on continue, then you click on consent, then click on continue. Just click on continue. Now you can click on allow notifications. So just click on, when you get to this place where they say, is this app useful to you, share app, just click on cancel. We don't want to share it. Now this is the interface. So you can use this particular app to create video. You can use it to generate image. Now you can see that this is Grok AI here. This is Grok. So you are going to be able to use Grok for free with this particular AI tool. Now they are telling us to describe what we want to create. Now we're just going to input our image. Now this is the image that I just imported. Now what I'm going to do, you can see that we have 6 seconds here. Click on 6 seconds. We also have 10 seconds here, but remember that we are using the free version, so we are not allowed to use the 10 seconds because of we are using the free version. Now you can see different aspect ratio. You can use any aspect ratio that you want to use, but I want to use the 16:9 ratio because I'm using it for my YouTube video. Now for the resolution, you can use 480p or 720. So you can also use 720p, so which is the HD quality, but I will just leave it on 480p. Then I'll click on this cancel. Now you can see that when you come to this place, you can see that it's showing 16:9. Now they are saying that you should describe what you want to create. Now I'm done with the particular prompt that I want to use, or the particular script. Now all I'm just going to do is to click on create. So once you click on create, because you are using the free version, it's going to show some ads first before it's going to generate your image for you or your video for you. So we'll just click on create, then we'll wait for the ads to play. Now you see that AI provider data consent, so you just click on agree. Click on agree, then you are going to let it load for some time. So now you see that it's loading our video. Your video is being created. The system is operating at full capacity, so we're just going to let it create our video for us.
Have a party to attend tonight. We would love to come too. We would love to come too.
Now this is the video. You can see it has generated the video for us. So let's play the video again.
I have a party to attend tonight. We would love to come too. We would love to come too.
So this is the script that I gave to it. So it's very simple to use and it's free. So once you are done with this, all you just need to do is to come to this particular place here. You just click on download. So once you want to download, they are going to tell you to watch ad for free. Then you are going to click on it, then you are going to watch the ad. Once you are done watching the ad, the video is going to download for you. Why they are telling you to watch the ad is because you are using the free version. So we'll just click on watch ad.
I'm the new exchange student.
Now after the video is going to download to your device. You can also use it to generate image. Let's say you want to generate image, so you click on this image generation button. Now you can see that it's using the Nano Banana Pro for image generation. So you can just put in your prompt and it's going to generate your image for you. So let's just put in a prompt to check how the image is. Now once you put in your prompt, all you just need to do is to click on create. So once you click on create, just the same way we used to create it for the video, so you click on agree and you're going to let it load. Then it's going to generate your image for you. So let's just give it time to load. It doesn't take time, just few seconds, your video is ready. So now this is it. All you just need to do now is to come to this download button, click on download, and the image is going to download to your device. So you can use this particular AI tool for free. Without all you are going to experience is just maybe a little ad, like 2 ads, before your video is going to download to your phone, or before your image is going to download to your phone. Aside that, the AI tool is completely free.